Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to spend your precious time doing it. Today, we've got a drone face-off that's going to blow your propellers off. On the left, we have the FactJank brushless motor drone, and on the right, the TizzyToy brushless motor drone. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride in the skies. First up, let's talk about price. FactJank comes in at $119, while TizzyToy is a bit friendlier on the wallet at $99. So if you're looking to save some cash for, I don't know, maybe a pizza party, TizzyToy takes this. Now on to the cameras. FactJank sports a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky, but TizzyToy comes in hot with a 4K camera and a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens. That's right, folks, 4K. You can count the leaves on trees and the regret on your face when you realize you forgot to hit record. According to reviewers, FactJank's camera is decent but can be shaky, while TizzyToy's camera quality is often praised for its stunning visuals. Both drones come with brushless motors, which means they're faster, quieter, and less likely to burst into flames mid-flight. FactJank boasts a level 4 wind resistance and can zip around at 40 kilometers per hour. It's like the Usain Bolt of drones. Meanwhile, TizzyToy is no slouch either, with its stable height and optical flow positioning, plus some solid wind resistance. It's like the nerdy kid who always wins the science fair, dependable and impressive. Reviews highlight FactJank's smooth flight and stable hover, while TizzyToy is praised for performing well, even in windy conditions. Let's talk features. FactJank has all the bells and whistles: one key takeoff landing, headless mode, altitude hold, 3D flips, optical flow positioning, custom path flight, gesture control, and 3 speeds. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. TizzyToy, on the other hand, brings high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, one key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, low battery warning, emergency stop, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors. Plus, it comes with a carrying case, extra batteries, and spare fan blades. It's like the drone version of Mary Poppins' bag, endless surprises. Reviewers appreciate FactJank's ease of use for beginners and TizzyToy's additional accessories and features. FactJank's got 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission for those smooth, no-lag videos. But TizzyToy counters with detailed tutorials, 24-hour customer service, and an electronic fence function to keep your drone from flying off into Neverland. It's like having a drone nanny on speed dial. Reviewers have mixed feelings about FactJank's customer support, with some praising it and others experiencing issues, while TizzyToy's customer service is highlighted as being very useful despite some negative feedback. Overall, reviewers find FactJank to be a great value for its price, especially for beginners, but caution about potential issues with the drone flying away. TizzyToy is praised for its impressive camera quality and ease of use, although its customer support has received mixed feedback. So which drone is the winner? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. FactJank offers high-speed thrills and a ton of features, perfect for the adventurous type. Meanwhile, TizzyToy gives you stunning 4K visuals, excellent customer support, and a price that leaves room for dessert. Thanks for joining us on this aerial adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd take for a spin. Until next time, may your purchases be wise and your flights be smooth. Fly high, smart shoppers. Product links are in the description.